Burps. Did you burp?
Yeah.
No.
I yelled. I'm a book. Yelled.
I didn't hear any loud burps. Burp again.
Yeah. Lion.
Oh,
lion.
was that a lion burp?
No.
Oh. Alex, burp.
Oh. Ooh.
That's not a burp.
Owl.
That's a howl.
Ooh.
Are you howling like a wolf?
No.
Oh.
Lion.
Are you a lion?
Yeah. I'm going. I yelled.
You're growling really loud.
Yeah.
Are you scaring your brother?
No.
Oh.
Ooh.
Alex, what are you looking at over there? Do you see somebody over there?
Yeah.
Who?
Lion.
I don't see any lions over there. Where's a lion?
Owl.
In that room?
Yeah, owl. That room.
Over the
There's
counter?
an owl in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh.
Alex, one more burp.